everyone, this is Jerry Kipelag, a language English student, and today we will going to learn a new language lessons, which is subject-verb agreement. Wait, which one is correct? She go to school every day or she goes to school every day? Why does this tiny s matter so much? Let's talk about subject-verb agreement. So what is subject-verb agreement? Subject-verb agreement means subject and the plural must match. If the subject is singular, the verb must be singular. If the subject is plural, the verb must be plural. For example, she walks every day. They walk every day. When the subject is singular, like he, she, it, we usually add is or es to the verb. Think like the subject and verb are in a relationship. If the subject is singular, you need to add s to the verb. If the verb is plural, no s to the verb. For example, he eats, they eat. Let's talk about the common mistakes. Be careful when words come to between subject and verb. For example, the list of items is on the table. The subject is less, not items. So, verb must match less. Remember, your subject and verb must agree. Just like in a healthy relationship. I have a challenge for you guys. Which one is correct? 1. The dogs barks. 2. The dogs bark. Comment your answers in the comment section. Again, this is Jerry Kipelag, and that's all for the lesson for today. See you to the next video.